Okay guys, another one. I wanted to show you this because I've never used a TENS unit quite like this one. There's actually no wires. This is the KingPavonini U13 wireless TENS unit, and the first thing I really like about it is that it's completely wireless. There are no cords connecting the units, so you don't have to worry about wires getting tangled or showing underneath your clothes. As you can see, you get 2 wireless units, and each one has 6 different modes and 30 intensity levels. So there are a lot of settings to choose from depending on what feels comfortable to you. It's great because it combines TENS, EMS, and massage modes. So you can use it for things like everyday muscle relaxation, after a workout, after sitting for a long time, or whenever you want some extra comfort for areas like your back, shoulders, legs, or knees, showing you how it easily sticks on the body. And because the units are wireless, you can put them where you want them. Put your clothes over them and move around without having a bunch of wires hanging off of you. You can use it while you're relaxing at home, working at a desk, doing chores, or even taking this when you are traveling. Case really makes the whole thing really portable. Just put the 2 units and the pads back inside when you're finished, and everything stays nice and organized. It comes with 5 magnetic gel pads, and they're latex-free, washable, and reusable. The magnetic connection makes it really easy to attach the units, and you can clean and reuse the pads multiple times, which is great. I also like that you can set the timer anywhere from 10 to 60 minutes, so you can choose how long you want to use it without having to keep track of the time yourself. It'll automatically shut off. The setup is pretty simple, and once you figure out which mode and intensity you like, you can make small adjustments from the charging case. For me, I really like the combination of being completely wireless, having so many intensity modes and options, and having the charging case do everything in one place. It's small enough to keep at home, in your office, or even take with you when you're traveling. So it's a really convenient little device to have whenever you want some extra muscle comfort or relaxation. I highly recommend.